Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you what you can do if your keyboard keeps changing its layout in Windows 10. Now it is most likely that it is changing because you're accidentally pressing the hotkey that changes between the keyboard layouts. So if you accidentally press the Alt key and the Shift key, that will change between the keyboard layouts. Now this isn't guaranteed to be a problem, but I have found that is usually what is causing the problem for me. So in order to fix this problem, we can disable the hotkey. So to disable the hotkey, all we're going to do is we're going to come to Start, and then we're going to click on Settings. Then in Settings, we're going to click on Time and Language. Then on the left-hand side, we're going to click on Language. Then on the right-hand side, under Related Settings, we're then going to click on Spelling, Typing and Keyboard Settings. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says More Keyboard Settings, and we're going to choose the Advanced Keyboard Settings option here. Now inside here, we're then going to click on the Input Language Hotkeys option here. And then in this window that appears, you should be able to see an action called Between Input Languages. And as you can see, the key sequence is currently Left, Alt, plus Shift. So we're going to be changing that to None. So to do that, we're going to select it, and then we're going to click Change Key Sequence. Then in the window that appears, we're then going to select Not Assigned, and we're going to press OK. So now as you can see, it has a non-key sequence. So if we just apply that and we click OK, if I now press Alt and Shift on the keyboard, it will no longer switch between the keyboard layout type. Now hopefully that has solved your problem. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.